Hi guys, welcome to Jakpa Gist with IBK. I said this is Jakpa Gist with IBK. Welcome to my channel. So today on this channel I'll be teaching you how to make money, but it is for people in diaspora. You have to be in diaspora. Yes, so these are apps that I've used to make money. There are some situations whereby there are some days that I'm so broke, as in over money they worry me, and I'm so loaded, I'm even padded, and I just need one small $20, or I just need one small $100, or I just need one small $50. It all depends on my situation. All I need to do is just to own my apps, and I'll start making money. So in no order of preference, I'm going to be telling you the apps that brings me money, the apps I have that brings me money. So, and for instance, I don't quickly cash out of my apps. I leave money there sometimes, that okay, when I have emergency of a money, I could just go to my app and just cash out my money. So that's how I stay. So for me, it does not matter. It's not in the quantity. Is having an awareness, or having the sense that okay, my one particular app has $20, another app has $50, another app has $200. So by the time I gather all my money together, it amounts to something. You understand? So in no order of preference, so I'm going to start my number one app. I call this app my number one app because I'm always using it. I'm always using it for one sharp $20, or for one sharp $50 I need to hustle right now, or for one sharp, any sharp thing. That is Grubhub. I love my Grubhub app. I sleep and wake up on my Grubhub app. If you're in this part of my world where I am, you understand that my Grubhub app, as in, if you're a grubber, please give me a like on this video. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. So my Grubhub app is my number one, as in my number one. So the next app I use also is my DoorDash. So my DoorDash app, my Grubhub app, my Uber Eats app, they are all food delivery app. If I need sharp money right now to own my app now, oh yeah, enter road with my motor. Oh yeah, hustle. We don't date the street. Oh, so I use Grubhub, I use DoorDash, I use Uber Eats. So everybody has their preferences. But man, my Grubhub app is me and my Grubhub app. As in, don't go there. Don't try me with my Grubhub app. Okay. So I have a friend that she enjoys her Uber app. Hey, no use her more. Her Uber Eats or her Uber delivery to transport people around. She likes her Uber delivery. And her Uber Eats. Oh, go there. So everybody has their own experiences and the different app they use in hustling. Another one is Instacart, Instacash, or Instacart. My friend, I have a friend that loves Instacart. As in, if I tell you, she loves Instacart. If you have Instacart, at least, not tell me say a day get $50, get $100. It all depends on the energy you put into this hustle. Now it will determine if you go even make money from the app. If you're not a patient person, not just disturb yourself. But this one is just the side also, as in apps that you can easily make money. If they find one kind small money, $1, $2, $1, $1, you just on your app, and there is tendency that you're going to make money. No matter how little you make, $20, $50. It all depends on how you put effort into your hustle. My friend, I have a friend that loves Instacart. As in, Instacart is so another gig that people make money from, and this gig is not common, is a wine tester. We have people that knows how to taste wine. How do they get this connection? I have a friend that knows people that have bar, and she knows people that sells different kind of wine from the winery. As in, she stays in the urban side. She knows people that does wine from scratch. So she brings it to township. She brings the bottle for testing to different restaurants. So she makes a lot of money from it. And it's just a part-time job. Yeah. Just a part-time as a wine tester. She's a wine tester. I also have a friend that does perfume testing. As in, she does this side gig of they give her samples of different perfume, which she gives to people to try on. Just a sample. She'll give you a sample. I think I have several samples. Oh, should I run to go and bring? Let me pause this video. Let me go and get samples of perfume. So as a perfume tester, these are the samples you get. You get different kind of samples, a lot of different. So you have this kind of samples with you. These are the samples you give to people to try on, and when they try it on, they'll ask for the main perfume, as in that's how you make your profit. You make profit from perfume, you see. You make profit from perfume. So these are samples, they'll just give you to try. So those people, they get different kind of perfume, and so they scent for their house, and then my dear, gig deal now, you know, fine though. Gig day side also deal now, you know, fine though. So you need to shine your eye. Do you know, I asked her, how did you get this gig, as in how do you have perfume sample, as in how do you become a perfume tester? She said that a mall is close to our house. I don't want to call the name of the mall, and I don't want to call the name of the place and how she got the job. It's a side also job, so it's near her house. She just walked in. It's IBK eyeshadow. We have also the glitters IBK eyeshadow. This is worldwide shipping. So make your orders, order worldwide shipping. Thank you. And she went to talk to the manager, and the manager said they were looking for somebody that can retail their perfume. So, and she said yes, she can retail, but she can only retail Friday, Saturdays, and Sunday. And that was how she signed the agreement or the contract. And these are samples, so she gives to her friends too. So when I try, if I like, I buy. So my dear, so let's go. Another app I'm using is called Upside, up and side, UPSID. So I'll be writing the names of this app. So all you need to do is to download them. Put in your details and whatever, and enjoy. So I have promo code also. If you use my promo code, you get discounts. You get some discounts for you to use those apps. So I'm going to be dropping my promo code, my referral code. So if you want, you can join on the moving train. So Upside is an app that whenever I buy grocery, whenever I buy food in my restaurant, whenever I buy gas, especially gas, as in gas, you buy gas every day. I used to have money back. $1, 5 cents, 85 cents. My dear. Oh, a drop fills an ocean. At least in a month, in my Upside, I think I could get, in a month, I get like, let's say, averagely of maybe $15 in a month. And that $15, you know what I use it to pay? I use it to pay my trash bill. It goes somewhere. Let me be telling you, it goes somewhere. So little drop fills an ocean, as in now so you don't hear them when they say little drop fills an ocean. So the next app is called Free Cash. Free Cash, you play game on Free Cash. When you download Free Cash, it's a gaming app. The more game you play, they give you bonuses, they give you coin, they give you reward. It's called Free Cash. So the next is Omin. Omin also is a paid survey site. Omin is OMEE. Yeah. So you go there, you do surveys, you take surveys, you write what you think, and they tell you, okay, if you take the survey, you get $1, you get $5. It's different, as in, depending on the survey, they will tell you the amount, and if you agree to do it, you take it. This app you need to download. I tell you, you need to go to your Play Store or you need to go to your Apple, whatever, and download and start using them. So I have a referral, and I'm going to post my referral. If you want to join, feel free. So that's where I make money from. So another app I used is TaxRabbit. There's a app called TaxRabbit. During the days I downloaded TaxRabbit, do you know what I do on TaxRabbit? I did I have a company, and I was doing will I say a private dog walk, or a private carer, a human carer, a private dog walker or a human carer. So I use my TaxRabbit for that, and I got a lot of calls on that. I got a lot of gig, I got a lot of job. So you will determine if you can do the job, because some gig that they'll call you, you consider your distance, you consider the pay, is it worth it, you determine. And I've gotten a lot of people from TaxRabbit to couple my furniture together, as in people that put in furnitures together for you. I've gotten a lot from TaxRabbit. So I've used TaxRabbit, and I've also gotten people from TaxRabbit to work for me. Is that not amazing? It is amazing. So another one is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie. So let me let you know that as you're using this app, you get to know the advantage of it as well as the disadvantage of it. You find yourself using more of some than the other because you feel like it's convenient for me to, get money quickly like this. Some people just like Survey. They can use Survey and be collecting money. Why me? I not to like Survey. Anything will go make me spend time. I know they like a sharp. Make my money drop. Now sharp there I be. So another one is Sweetcoin. So Sweetcoin counts the number of steps. It's like a workout app. It's called Sweetcoin. So you go there, the more you walk, the more coin you gain, and the more earning you get. Another one for walking or fitness is called Macadam. As a Macadam. Macadam. The more you walk, the more you earn. As you are walking, as you're taking a walk, fitness. You're taking a walk, you're doing fitness, and you go to earn money. So I don't want to make this video too long. Another app I made money on is called Product Tube. Product Tube will send you surveys that, okay, go to Giant, take a particular toilet roll or take a particular detergent or take a particular product, tell me what you think. You do a video of it, you video it, you give your report, give your response. As soon as they give your response, they don't, they credit you. And before you go for that survey, they don't tell you, okay, this is $1, this is $20, this is $30. I've made a lot of money from it. So my dear, so welcome to the amazing app that I've made money on. It's based on my own experience. So you too, when you start using it, you have to give a feedback. Please give me a feedback on what you think, your experience, or tell me apps that you have used to make money. Yee, thank you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Like and subscribe, I'll see you in my next video. Please drop your comment also. Bye bye.